Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Overwatch error code 0xE00101C0. As per our research, the error comes when players try to launch the game. It leads to a crash with this error code, and the game doesn't open. According to our research, the error is likely caused by admin permission conflicts, firewall or antivirus restrictions, third-party app interference, or corrupted game settings. The first thing you should try is running Overwatch as an administrator. To do this, right-click on Overwatch Launcher.exe in the Game folder. Then select Show More Options, then select Properties, then select Compatibility, then select Settings. Then check the box that says Run this program as an administrator and try launching the game again. If the error still comes, then exit the admin mode. After that, disable your device's firewall and any third-party antivirus programs. Once done, restart your device and check if the error still appears. If the error still comes, then make sure you are not launching Overwatch 2 from Steam, while Battle.net is already open. Let the game launch fully without switching tabs and check for the error. If you still have the error, then try deleting the Overwatch settings file. To do this, go to Seed Users X Documents, Overwatch Settings, and delete the file named settings_v0. After that, launch the game using Blizzard or Steam and check if the error is gone. Please note that doing this will reset your video settings. If you still receive the error, then close unnecessary programs that could interrupt the game. Specifically, end the Microsoft.management.service task from the Task Manager. And then check for the error. If you still have the error, then try disabling full screen optimizations and check if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, then update your graphic drivers. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website, then download the latest drivers and install them. Then check for the error again. If the error still persists and you have GeForce Experience running, try turning it off. Some users reported that disabling it resolved the issue. So try this and see if this helps. If none of these steps help and you have any third-party antivirus software installed, then consider uninstalling it completely. After uninstalling, restart your PC and launch the game to check if the error is resolved. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.